You think you're doing okay with money. You pay your bills. You buy what you need. Maybe even save a little. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You might be slowly destroying your financial future without even realizing it. Because it's not always about how much you earn. It's about the habits you repeat every single day. And some habits, they look harmless. They feel normal, but they quietly keep you broke. Today, we're exposing 3 dangerous money habits that are silently holding you back. If you don't fix these, you'll stay stuck. Let's start with the most common one. Spending money to feel good. Bad day? Order food. Feeling stressed? Buy something online. Feeling bored? Scroll and shop. It feels small. It feels deserved. But this is called emotional spending. And it's one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Here's why. You're not solving your problems. You're just buying temporary relief. That dopamine hit, it fades fast. And what's left? Less money. More guilt. Same problems. Over time, this becomes a pattern. Pain, spend, relief, repeat. And before you know it, you're trapped in a cycle. Rich people don't escape problems by spending. They solve problems to create more money. If you don't control your emotions, your money will control you. This one is dangerous because it looks like success. Nice clothes. Latest phone. Expensive lifestyle. From the outside, you look rich. But inside, you're financially fragile. This is called lifestyle inflation. Every time you earn more, you spend more. Instead of building wealth, you upgrade your lifestyle. Let's be real. Most people don't want to be rich. They want to look rich, and there's a huge difference. Looking rich is spending money. Being rich is keeping and growing money. Think about it. The car you can't afford. The clothes bought to impress others. The lifestyle maintained for social media. None of that builds wealth. It builds pressure. Real wealth is quiet. It's discipline. It's patience. It's saying no when everyone else is saying yes. If your lifestyle grows faster than your income, you'll never get ahead. This is the silent killer. Not saving, not investing, not planning. Just living day by day. It feels fine. Until it's not, because the future always comes. And when it does, most people are unprepared. Here's the truth. If you don't build your future, you'll be forced to struggle in it. Time is your biggest advantage. But most people waste it. They say, I'll save later. I'll invest when I earn more. I'll start next year. But later turns into years, and years turn into regret. Meanwhile, those who start early, even with small amounts, they win. Because money grows with time, but only if you give it the chance.